Hi crypto fans, let's talk about crypto again for this episode of my full course series. Let's talk about how to mine crypto with any machine available in your home. This is for someone who still doesn't have any idea of how to do mining. They probably think they need to buy many mining rigs and put it in a room to do the mining. They think they either don't have the time or don't have the money to do this mining setup. But that's actually one way of mining. There are many other ways available. That's why I made this video to show you the easiest way. I believe many people can start doing mining right away after watching this video, so please stay closely with me. The website I have just opened in front of me is called NiceHash. Some people might have heard of it before because this site has been around for a couple of years, but still there are a lot of people who haven't heard about it before. Is it still one of the most efficient way to mine Bitcoin? Yeah, it is. Why? Because if you set up your machine for mining all by yourself, you need to choose the algorithm for specific crypto you try to mine. Some algorithm needs to be updated once in a while, so you have to be aware of upcoming changes. Although for mining software for your machine, some crypto requires CPU to mine, some other needs GPU, so you got to figure out the right machine for the right token. And you also have to keep the software up to date. That's going to be so many things you need to keep doing then in order to keep your mining rigs working. And for the most of time, it is not as profitable as letting the NiceHash do everything for you. I know you might ask, how is that even possible for NiceHash to do everything for you? NiceHash has an algorithm on top of algorithms. They automatically find the most profitable algorithm for you, so you don't need to search algorithm all by yourself, and you don't need to research on every crypto by yourself. Why? Because NiceHash will use your computing power to mine the crypto and pay you with crypto. It will be their jobs to find and research the most profitable crypto. Therefore, there are nothing left for you to do. You can just sit down and relax. How easy is that? Okay, finally, let's get started. When you have registered an account on NiceHash, you need to go over to the mining page, which can be found on the top menu. After that, you need to click download miner button, and then you will see this page. The first mining option we are looking at right now is the quick miner. This is the most easy setup. You just need to download it and click the run button. It is easier like that. You can learn more about it by click the hyperlink here, which will lead you to another page. What's more about quick miner is that the optimize button has choices like how efficient you want it to be. Let's say if you adjust the optimization to high, then you probably have a high computing power usage for mining. Not only mining power, your electricity usage will also go up. But you can use the monitor they provide to monitor that, and it is easy to switch to other mode, so it is not a problem at all. Okay, now let's look at NiceHash Miner. This is the most common one for people to install. It has all necessary features included. I personally recommend this one for you. It doesn't matter what GPU or CPU you use. It will scan your machine first and then find the right algorithm to match your machine configuration. But both the quick miner software and the fully installed one version from NiceHash are all for Windows 11 or above. But there is definitely other ways to go around. I'm gonna show you later. Another popular option is to install the NiceHash Flash tool to a flash drive. Then you can boot this flash drive from your machine. This is the way you can use your machine even though they are Linux or Mac OS. However, if you want to buy the optimal machine to mine crypto, then you need to buy the ASIC miner machine and select an algorithm from NiceHash for your ASIC machine. I'm not going to talk much about it because for this tutorial, I just want to teach you how to use your home PC to do the mining. However, if you want to use a third-party machine and sell your computing power or hash power from there, then you can choose this method. This is called Stratum Generator. You still need to choose a specific algorithm and use these URLs. But again, I'm not going to talk about it for this tutorial. Okay, this is the actual mining right now in Windows. You can monitor how many CPUs or GPUs are using. Right now, you only see one because I'm running this in my regular PC. You can also see the load and it tells you how many % of hardware it is using. You can also monitor the hash rate per second as well as in terms of US dollar. For another machine I'm using, I got over 8,000 kilo hashes per second for Monero, which equals to about 6,000 US dollars per month, is pretty decent for crypto mining. Hash rate is what you can refer to as a measurement of processing capacity or performance of the mining hardware or network. You can also monitor the mining on your dashboard. It tells you additional information like how long it takes till the next payout. For the unpaid balance, it is the amount that NextHash has not paid you yet, but it is going to pay you once you have reached a minimum of 1,000 of Satoshi. That's really awesome because that means you can always cash out every day. There is an optimize button right here. Once you click it, it allows you to choose algorithms and miners. Make sure to choose all algorithms if you are a beginner because again, that's how you allow NextHash to find the best algorithm for you. Of course, you can choose the specific mining software if you know which software is the best for your hardware and also matches a specific algorithm perfectly. Yeah, go ahead and adjust these settings, but I will leave it to all mining softwares and let NextHash to pick one for me. Alright, we have known how to use Windows to run NextHash. What about OS like Linux? What if you don't want to use that flash driver method? What other methods you can do for Linux? Thanks for this GitHub archive and this guy named Yoan. You can follow this process and install all the necessary prerequisite. After you have installed all these dependencies, go ahead and open up your terminal and enter NextHashD. Now it requires your mining wallet address where you can find from the mining page on your NextHash dashboard. Let me copy and paste my wallet address there. Okay, and it asks a worker name. I will name it worker2. Once that's entered, it asks for your region or country. Try to enter the closest possible country near your machine location. Okay, now it is running. That's how easy for Linux machine to run NextHash on it. After you know how to mine crypto, what about the way to take your crypto out? That's super easy also. NextHash also is a wallet. By easily clicking the wallet page on the menu, you can see a list of crypto you can deposit to this wallet. Let's just click a random one. You just need to use the specific address for receiving the crypto from your other wallets, or maybe you want to withdraw the money out of your mining wallet, you can click withdraw. Then you will just need to fill in your destination address there and choose your NextHash wallet address, and that's all about it. Okay, for this episode of Full Course series, I have taught you guys how to mine crypto with your available machine. I hope you like the content I have shared. Please feel free to comment below and tell us about how you did on your mining. Again, thanks for watching. I will see you on the next one.